Hey everybody, this is a quick video. If you have a Sony brand TV projector and you're trying to figure out when's the last time that you replaced the lamp, you can actually go in the menu and see how many hours of use the lamp that you have in there has got on it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's real simple to do. What we're going to do is we're going to come to our controller and we're going to go to the hit the menu button. And from the menu button, we're just going to you can scroll right into the menus and you can scroll down through the different menus. We're going to scroll all the way down to the very bottom menu, the little information menu, and you'll see we don't even have to do anything. We don't even have to go over there. It just pops up with some different information on your thing, including the lamp timer. So for example, this bulb that we have in this projector has 4,484 hours on it. So and it's simple as that. And then once you've done and you figured it out, you want to get out of here, you just hit the menu button again, and that will exit out of the menu, and you're good to go. So anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.